calling all peanut butter and chocolate lovers. Get ready to have your mind blown with some fascinating facts about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, America's favorite candy combo. The original cup might be a classic, but Reese's offers a whole family of peanut butter and chocolate treats. From king-size bars to peanut butter eggs and even pieces, there's a Reese's for every mood and occasion. Today we'll explore the secrets behind their irresistible flavor, unveil the magic of their production process, and maybe even answer the age-old question, what's the ultimate way to enjoy a Reese's? So buckle up, Choco peanut butter lovers, and get ready for a delicious journey. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. This iconic combination of creamy peanut butter and smooth milk chocolate wasn't born in a fancy laboratory, but in the basement kitchen of Harry Burnett Reese in 1928 in Pennsylvania. A former dairy worker with an eye for innovation, Reese saw the potential of peanut butter, then a rising star on American palates. His vision? To elevate it by marrying it with another beloved treat, chocolate.
Two great tastes that taste great together. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Real milk chocolate. Good old-fashioned peanut butter.
Reese's Peanut.
The result was a revelation. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, born from a simple yet ingenious idea, quickly captured the hearts of the nation. Originally called penny cups, due to their 1-cent price tag, these little morsels of delight became a symbol of affordability and deliciousness during the Great Depression. Over the years, Reese's has grown from a basement operation to a global phenomenon. Today, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are enjoyed in over 110 countries, a testament to the universal appeal of peanut butter and chocolate. The brand has expanded beyond the original cup, offering a whole family of peanut butter-infused chocolates. But the classic combination remains the king. So, the next time you pop a Reese's in your mouth, remember its fascinating journey from a basement experiment to a global candy icon. It's a story of American ingenuity, deliciousness, and a timeless flavor combination that continues to satisfy cravings around the world. Before we start, here's Captain Discovery's daily quiz. What's the best way to enjoy a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Share your answer in the comment below now. Reese's uses high-quality runners or Virginia's varieties, known for their uniform size and rich flavor. These are typically sourced from Georgia, Alabama, and other peanut-growing regions in the southern U.S. Then they undergo the roasting process. A waterfall of peanuts flows off the conveyor belt at a rate of 18,000 per hour, then roasting in around 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. After roasting, the peanuts are then shelled and cooled. Powerful machines pulverize the peanuts into a fine peanut butter paste. Reese's peanut butter is mixed with sugar, salt, and other secret ingredients to make it taste special. Some people think these secret ingredients might include vegetable oils for smoothness, cocoa powder for a richer chocolate flavor, and a little vanilla for extra taste. This mixture is carefully watched to make sure that it has the right texture for the peanut butter center of Reese's cups. This first step is important because it creates the tasty peanut butter that goes perfectly with the chocolate coating. The next step involves the chocolate process, where large vats are filled with milk chocolate. The chocolate is then heated to the perfect temperature to ensure it melts evenly and smoothly. Here's where things get a little technical. Tempering is a vital step that involves carefully raising and lowering the temperature of the melted chocolate. Also, tempering the chocolate gives it a shiny appearance and a satisfying snap when you bite into a Reese's cup, providing a nice texture contrast to the creamy peanut butter. This process also ensures the chocolate sets well, preventing it from melting at room temperature, so your Reese's stays delicious and intact. Once tempered, the chocolate is kept in temperature-controlled containers, ensuring the coating is not only tasty, but also visually appealing and resistant to melting. It's break time! Did you know Hershey eventually brought Reese's Company back into the fold? Reese's Company ended up back where the inventive executive had started. Harry Reese passed away in 1956, and in 1963, Hershey acquired the H.B. Reese Candy Company. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups use specially designed molds on a conveyor belt that resemble shallow trays with hundreds of cup-shaped indentations. The creamy peanut butter mixture, which is carefully monitored for consistency, is then precisely deposited into these molds using a machine or nozzles that evenly distribute it into each cup indentation. The amount of peanut butter deposited is carefully controlled to ensure each cup has the perfect peanut butter to chocolate ratio. This delicate balance is what creates that signature Reese's experience, a generous peanut butter center enveloped in a delightful chocolate shell. With the peanut butter nestled in its designated spot, the stage is set for the chocolatey embrace in the next step. The tempered chocolate from step 2 is used again and is either pumped or flows through valves to create a continuous stream. This stream is carefully directed to cover the peanut butter cups evenly in the molds, using a technique that might resemble a shower or flooding motion to ensure each cup gets a complete coating. The flow is controlled so that the chocolate completely encases the peanut butter filling, covering it entirely. Any excess chocolate that might pool around the edges of the molds or on the tops of the cups is likely scraped or blown away using pressurized air. With the chocolatey cloak draped over the peanut butter center, the iconic Reese's cup form is almost complete. The next step will solidify the delicious union and prepare them for their adoring fans. The freshly coated peanut butter cups move along a conveyor belt into a cooling chamber set at a specific temperature to solidify the chocolate. This cool air quickly hardens the chocolate, turning it from a liquid into the firm shell we all love. Once the cups are cooled and solidified, they are fed into a packaging machine that wraps each Reese's cup individually in the iconic orange packaging, protecting them and making them easy to recognize on store shelves. Throughout production, quality checks ensure that each Reese's peanut butter cup meets the brand's high standards. And after packaging, the cups are ready to be boxed and shipped to stores for peanut butter and chocolate lovers to enjoy. And now's the answer for the quiz about the best way to enjoy Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. The answer is unwrap and bite. The simplest way is to unwrap the cup. Take a bite to experience the classic combination of chocolate and peanut butter, and let the flavors melt in your mouth to fully appreciate the textures and tastes. Reese's parent company, Hershey, made some possible sustainable practices. First, factories choose sourced peanuts from regions with responsible farming practices, like crop rotation and reduced tillage, to minimize environmental impact. Second, investing in energy-efficient equipment for roasting, grinding, and other processing steps can significantly lower energy consumption. Third, minimizing tillage practices helps maintain soil structure, prevent erosion, and improve water retention. And finally, partnering with local growers reduces transportation emissions and supports the local economy. The candy industry is constantly evolving, and the focus on sustainability is expected to grow in the future. By implementing these practices, the industry can ensure a secure supply of peanuts, protect the environment, and contribute to the well-being of communities. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.